Hello, Pastor G here, and I want to share something else with you that totally amazed me about the Release, Restore, and Rejuvenate retreat. And that is how God will unearth some things or bring some things to your awareness that maybe you were not thinking about, you didn't even realize was there. Because sometimes we'll say, I don't need to come to that type of retreat because I'm good, everything's all good. But God has a way of looking into you and seeing places that you never even thought about, or maybe you buried and thought was okay. But He brings those things to the forefront so that He can love on you, so He can heal you and make you whole and deal with anything that may be hindering you or keeping you from walking fully into your purpose. So go ahead, register today. Click on the link in this video. There are still two options to pay, and that's pay in two or pay in full. But whatever the case is, go ahead and reserve your space in the place, because we're going to have an awesome and amazing time in the Lord. God bless you.